guys.
Hi.
So we've been in this place now for 2 weeks.
Yeah,
2 weeks. Yeah, waiting for my visa process to finish. It's all done now.
Yeah, we got the kitas.
Yeah, I've got Kitas. That's 2 years in Indonesia. We'll put a few clips in of stuff that we've been doing in the 2 weeks, but it wasn't much, to be honest. We are loaded, ready to go.
But
So last night on the way home from Hard Rock Cafe, we experienced some potholes and I've lost the bracket. So now we're going to go to a fabrication shop and try get something welded on to work. Let's see what happens, and then we'll show you our route to Lombok.
yeah. Jadi tempat kita nginep ini namanya Kos Uma Dewata. Tempatnya di Denpasar. Bisa mingguan juga, ada di Mami Kos juga. Jadi bisa langsung dicek. Tempatnya enak banget. Ada kasur, ada AC, lemari. Pokoknya jauh lebih murah daripada misalnya nginep di hotel. Kalau misalnya mau stay agak lebih lama di Bali. Kos Uma Dewata, terima kasih banyak.
See here, that one snapped off. It should look like this. But I think the guys are just going to make something similar, and it'll be fine. As long as it works, as long as it holds it on, I don't really care. So that's all good. We can sort it out when we get back to Malang, hopefully. Now ready to go to the port. So next stop, Lombok. Okay, so I've met a little bit of traffic. A lot of traffic. Made it to the port. There we go.
Port is actually there.
Yeah, it's
But we are here.
But it's good, we can see it.
As always, we lost.
Yeah, damn GPS, look. Searching for GPS. Story of my life. Boarding the boat. Let's see how we get on.
Setelah 7 jam perjalanan dari Bali, akhirnya kita sampai di Lombok. Jaraknya hanya sekitar 1 jam dari Pelabuhan Lembar ke penginapan yang sudah kita pesan. Segera kami beristirahat dan besok pagi kita akan jalan-jalan ke pantai Senggigi.
Selamat pagi, good morning. We're on the road already, but we are planning to go to pantai Senggigi. I don't know, something like that. It's a nice beach. We just stopped here for some views. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Big hopes for things to come.
Terus kamu jalan-jalan terus kamu ya.
Here we are at the beach.
Sebenarnya pantai Senggiginya kelewatan. Tapi nggak apa-apa, kita makan dulu aja di sini.
Yeah, we're gonna eat. We're gonna eat now. Have a look at this.
Karena pantai Senggiginya udah kelewatan dan kita udah males balik lagi, jadinya ya udah kita mutusin buat makan siang di sini di, kalau nggak salah namanya Pantai Klui. Terus kita lanjut lagi dan kita menemukan spot untuk ngedrone di Malibu.
So guys, tiny bit of bad news on the horizon. Drone lost connectivity and appears to just be gone. tried to bring it back home, but it was completely disconnected. I don't know why it completely disconnected. It should return back to where it started. And the home point is, well, I looked on the GPS and it seems like it's just up there. So Dara's gone to have a look to see if it landed there, but I think we would have heard it. I'm kind of just going to say that it's gone. It just lost signal, or it got hit by a bird, I don't know. But I mean, come on. Is it going to connect? Nah. There it is. Don't know if you can see that. Last known point before death. Had a look through the footage and stuff, and it seems like it lost connection and then probably kept going down into the sea. I don't know. It was quite close to the sea, like maybe like 5 meters above the sea when it lost connection. Selamat pagi. We are now going to Lombok to buy some ferry tickets to Surabaya, so we have them in our hands ready to go.
Pagi ini kita gas ke kantor DLU Lembar untuk beli tiket kapal. Kali ini nggak cuma berdua aja nih, tapi ditemenin sama teman lama kita yang dulu juga tinggal di Malang loh, Hady namanya. Karena nggak dapet tiket, kita mutusin buat lanjut ngelihat sirkuit Mandalika dan juga sekitarnya. Jalanannya bagus banget, sayangnya ada yang bikin Sam kesel juga, yaitu tukang parkir yang minta duit lebih dari tarif parkir biasanya.
I didn't record it, but that was just now was a typical case of when something really nice gets ruined by a fucking idiot. So this guy, we were just taking a picture, and then this guy was sitting on Daras' Vespa, like right on the back of it, and like shouted at him, told him to get off, because obviously like shouldn't be fucking doing that. And plus, last time that shit like that happened, you have to get it de-welded. So like, yeah, obviously she's pissed off. And then he tried to charge us for parking. Well, he did charge us for parking. Double what the going rate is in Lombok. Fucking jokes. But that's what you get when you come to a tourist location, I guess. Just fucking piss take, man. Come on. Onwards and upwards, as they say.
Hady mengajak kita pergi ke Bukit Seger. Lokasinya ada di belakang sirkuit Mandalika. Dari atas bukit kita bisa melihat sirkuit dan juga pantai sekaligus. Keindahan ini tak akan pernah kami lupakan, walaupun nafas tersengal-sengal sih menaiki bukit.